What's up, guys? It's AB here. Today I'm going to tell you how your money can make more money through the stock market. So we'll be looking at the stock market, why you should be interested, and what it can do for you. Yes, you. Now, before we get into the good stuff, my lawyer told me, gotta be careful. So,
The Royal Scroll. This is a personal channel. Any views or opinions represented on this channel are personal and belong solely to the creator. I think this is better. Solely to the creator, and do not represent those of the people, institutions, or organizations that the owner may or may not be associated with, in professional or personal capacity. I do not carry a professional license or certified knowledge.
Thank you. Okay, let's jump right in. So, we have those times, you get paid, you get your birthday money, goes to your savings, which is respectable. I respect the savings. There's something in your savings account called interest. It's probably below 1. Every $100 you make, you're making whatever your interest rate is. The regular case scenario, for every $100 you make or put in your account, you're making 1. You're like, okay, that's not bad. Like, I respect that, But then what happens is you have something called inflation. These guys, they get together, DC or somewhere in the US, and they pretty much figure out how much money they want to print for the year. And if the amount of money is above the amount of money that we have in circulation, the worth of your money in your savings account that's getting an extra $1 a year is going to decline. While your $1 sitting in your account, it's worth less every year because more money is coming into circulation, which means there's more of it, so it has less worth. Exactly. So in the stock market, you're going to get an average return from a basic index fund, pretty safe, like the S&P 500, of around 7 or 8%. Links in the description to the study for that. And usual bank is going to give you an interest rate on your savings account of about 1%. And what happens from there, another site below, right? Inflation said it was 1.31%. Last year's dollar is worth more than this year's dollar, right? So let's say that the site is right. Inflation is 1.31%. And you have a 1% in your savings account. I know you can do math. So 1 minus 1.31, yeah, it's negative. What is 8% or 7% minus 1.31? 6.69%. So in your savings account, your money is actually declining at a rate of 0.31% every year, which is kind of an L. Literally, your money in your savings account is losing money. If you put it in the market, though, you're going to get 6.41%. Yeah. So if you put your money in the stock market instead of your savings, you're going to make money. Whereas if you're putting your money in your savings, it's actually losing you money. So, bruh, every year, you're losing money. Your bread is decreasing. We don't want that, bro. We don't want that. The second reason, number 2, is that your money is making you more money. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, it's OD. But your money is making you more money. When let's say you put $100 in the market, 7% average return, right? You get your 7%, $1.07. The next year, you're not gonna make $7. You're gonna make $7.50. $7 to $7.50. That's big bread, bro. That's 2 whole quarters that you're making. 2. Yeah. And the best part is, every year, that amount's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, you may be thinking, bro, 2 quarters, bro, slight work, which I respect. If you don't respect half a dollar, I respect that. But think about it like this. What if, let's say you invested 1,000 That's an extra $5, 10,000, extra 50, right? The more you invest, the more compounded your money is going to become, the more money for you. So is that $100 is a base example, but you can apply it. You'll get more money the more money you put in, right? Which I think is a dub. Like, real quick, before we get into point 3, I'm gonna take a minute and ask you to politely look under this screen, and you will see a thumbs up button. Politely, don't disrespect the YouTube algorithm. Politely just tap the thumbs up button. I would thank you for that. And if you're just not motivated, you're like, bro, I'm not gonna look at the stock market. Like, I'm sleeping, I'm chilling, I'm doing my online schoolwork at 12 o'clock the next day, right before it's due. Like, bro, you may want to check out my video in the top right-hand corner. If it's not top right, then it's top left. Yeah, but you may want to check that out. Get you going a little bit. Your money to make you more money. Click the subscribe button so you can get this high-quality content every week. And now, let's dive into point 3. Point 3 is building a point 2, which is about your money making you more money, right? So point 3 is just the fact that it's what we call passive income, right? And what passive income is you have another stream of income. Your stream of income right now would be your job. That's one. And then you can have other streams. Investing or stocks is a whole nother stream. So you're like, so what, bro? bro, rivers, streams, wet, water, like, bro, it doesn't matter. But what it means is that, let's say you're in your job, right? And like, hopefully Rona never happens again. But let's say you can't work for 2 weeks, something like that. You'll still be making money if your money's in the market, bro. Or you could be losing money. But your money is still working. So even when you're not working, you could still be earning your money. You could still be going up. You could still be making money during the week. So it gives you another stream of income to rely on, which means that your job is still important, but now you're making money 2 ways at once. It doesn't get better than that. I would advise you to go check out the stock market, just look around. This is by all means not I'm gonna get you rich in 30 seconds. No. Once you realize that the market can make your money make more money without you doing anything, plus the fact it brings a whole new stream of income, and it's better than your savings account. If you do your research, there's almost no way to lose. So I would just advise you, just do some research on your own. We will be coming back with the second video in the series. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button, the thumbs up button, gently tap it. And I'll see you guys next week.